Hello and welcome to the Client Dispute Manager credit repair software. Now in this video, I'm going to show you or introduce to you a new feature that we've created. It's called credit score, the automated credit score improvement email. It automatically sends out a credit score improvement email to your customer when there is improvement in their credit score. Now, why is this so important to you as a credit repair company? Because number one, it saves you time from manually sending the email out, the template, and also it makes your customer happy. Now, there's two ways that you can access or turn on this feature inside of the credit repair software. Now, the first way is I'm going to go to settings and I'm going to click on account settings. Now, right there where it says automated credit score improvement email, credit score screen, and automated credit score improvement email importer screen. So you can turn them on here, off and on, or we can go to the customer screen right here and let's click on dispute. And we can turn it on right here. Now, as you can see, I already turned it on, so I'm gonna turn it off and I'm gonna turn this bad boy on. Now, as soon as you turn it on, anytime there's a credit score improvement for your customer, you simply come here. Let's just say 780, and let's say 800, and 800. So let's go ahead and click on save. And once we click on save, as you can see, a credit score improvement email was sent to your customer. Now your customer is going to automatically get this email once you click on save. So that saves you a lot of time. So you don't have to create your own email. You don't have to go to your email provider and create a template and send it out. So this saves you a lot of time. Now, the second way you can do it is by going to add item and just click on import credit report. And right here it says credit score automation. Now I just turned that off, but if you want to send a credit score improvement email automatically, when you re-import a new credit report and the scores went up, you will turn this on. And then anytime you import a new credit report and the scores went up, the software will automatically send your customer a credit score improvement email. Now, let me show you exactly what the credit score improvement email looks like. So we're gonna go over to this email right here and let's refresh. And as you can see, it says your credit score has improved. So let's go ahead and click that. And this is exactly what your customer is gonna see once their credit score improved. Now, you didn't do anything. All you did was manually update it and click on save, and the software automatically sent out this email to your customer. And also, if you, after 30 days of a dispute round, you re-import your credit report into the importer area and the score improved, it will automatically send out an email to your customer without you doing anything. Now, if the score did not improve, then it will not automatically send an email. Now, let me show you, you can also edit the templates that go out. So these templates right here, you can also edit these templates and say anything you want, as long as you don't mess with the information here. So let me go back to the Client Dispute Manager credit repair software. Let's click there. And now let's go to settings and let's go to manage emails. Now, right over here on the left, it says automated templates. Let's go ahead and scroll down. And right here in the credit repair software, you will see right here, we have the automated credit score improvement email. This is for the credit score screen. And we have the automated credit score improvement email for the importer screen. All right, so there you have it. The credit repair software, the Client Dispute Manager, we're trying to automate as much as we can. This is a new feature, just released. It's very powerful. It'll save you a lot of time from you have to manually going into your email provider, creating a template and sending it out, or even using our send email from here feature, using that template and sending it out. I hope you enjoyed the video.